Well, first, can you explain structured water?
Yeah,
I've been hearing more about structured water, the
yeah,
fourth phase of water. Can you just touch
yeah.
on that first before how do we actually fix that?
Yeah. So water, we all know exists in these three states. It could be ice, it could be water, it could be steam. But it actually has a fourth phase it can be in, and that is more like a gel. Structured water is also called exclusion zone water because they found that when it forms, nothing really penetrates it. It's basically it protects the lining of the artery. And also the only thing that can penetrate it is very small hydrated ions of like potassium and things like that. So very some ionic minerals. But other than that, nothing can touch the lining of the artery if there's structured water on it. So that protects it from being damaged. Like when everything holds a negative charge, then like charges don't like each other. They repel each other. So they stay evenly spaced and nothing gets clumped up and coagulated. That's why it's so effective at preventing clotting. Is because it basically takes away, it prevents the things that predispose us to clotting. Again, the main ways that we do that are infrared light exposure, which could be sunlight. It could be an infrared sauna. It could be a red light or infrared light panel. Grounding, so feet in direct contact with the earth, or indoor grounding mats and grounding sheets, things that we can kind of use in our modern day world to recreate that. And then there are things that have been shown to break down structured water. And so these can be toxin exposures, different heavy metals, glyphosate, which is the herbicide Roundup, has been specifically shown in Dr. Pollock's lab to decrease structured water. I think it's 15 to 20% reduction in structured
So
water.
that's why the importance of choosing a more organic diet as much as
Mhm.
possible, focusing more on organic animal proteins if you eat animal sources, because that's going to be higher in pesticides and all
Right.
these agrochemicals. Yep.